Good day viewers, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve these factorial equations. And actually, we have a quadratic at the right hand side, but we cannot conclude these quadratic equations until we apply some basic rule of factorial. Suppose you have x factorial, here gives x bracket x minus 1 factorial, and it continues like that. So let's start with the questions. Here we have x minus 1 factorial plus 1 equals x to the power of 2. By taking 1 to the right hand side, we have x minus 1 factorial equals x to the power of 2 minus 1. And with the rules above, which is x factorial equals that, so we can apply it here for x minus 1 factorial. So here we are going to have x minus 1 bracket x minus 2 factorial. So I'm going to stop here because at this right hand side we are going to have x minus 1 and it multiplies x plus 1, which is the difference of 2 square. Suppose 1 is having square. So from the questions, x minus 1 we can easily cancel it because when we substitute x equals 1 in the given problem, it's not going to be equal. That is, to cancel this, we are safe. So by cancelling x minus 1 here, we are going to have x minus 2 factorial equals x plus 1. So the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to replace this, or we reduce it. Suppose I let x minus 2 equals something, and we are going to have let x minus 2 equals another letter, which is y. If I let x minus 2 equals y, just to reduce the factorial, then by making x the subject of the formula, we have x equals y plus 2. On getting this, we try to substitute it in x minus 2 factorial equals x plus 1. Here we have y factorial equals, instead of x, we replace it with y plus 2, then plus 1. Again, we are going to have y factorial equals y plus 3. So the next thing is by taking y to the left hand side, and we write y factorial as y bracket y minus 1 equals 3. So y factorial here is giving us y bracket y minus 1 factorial plus minus y equals 3. So we factor out y, and we are going to have y minus 1 factorial minus 1 equals 3. So on getting to this stage, we are going to consider the 3, which are some factors, and the two factors of 3 is 3, which is identity, and itself, just like a ring, a group. So here we have 3 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 3, which are the only two factors of 3. So we are going to consider the first case, which is if we let y equals 3, suppose we have y equals 3 first, and inside the parentheses, which is y minus 1 factorial minus 1 equals 1. So by transferring 1 to the right hand side, here we are going to have y minus 1 factorial equals 2. And obviously, so if you have 2 factorial, is also 2. So by doing that, we introduce factorial here, and when factorial cancel factorial, it means that y minus 1 equals 2 and y equals 3. And it's the same thing as what we got from the first one. So let's test for y equals 1. So it shows that the inner part of y minus 1 factorial minus 1, this is going to be equals 3. But let's see if these are truly equal. Y minus 1 factorial equals 4. But these are not equal at all. No matter value of y we try to plug in here, they are not going to be equals 4 because none of the factorial equals 4. The only factorial we have is 1, 2, 6, 24, and others like that. So which means y equals 3 is the only value that satisfies this. And to get the value of x here, we try to substitute the value of y, which is 3, to get x. So let's recall, if x equals y plus 2, definitely by substituting the value of y, we are going to have 3 plus 2 and x equals 5. X equals 5 is the solution to this problem by check, and we can check for x equals 5 if it satisfies this problem. So when we recall from the original question, which is x minus 1 factorial plus 1 for the left hand side, so we want to introduce this. We substitute the value of x where we have this, and here is 4 factorial plus 1, where 4 factorial is giving us 24, and 24 plus 1 equals 25, which the right hand side is also x squared, and 5 squared is 25, which means the two sides are equal. And here is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. See you in the next class. Never